Hello, welcome inside the mind of Matt. And you know, 3D printing doesn't always go as planned. In this video, I happen to capture a fail print of this model right here, and I thought I'd share. It'll be on the Anycubic console behind me. If you want to see, make sure you watch the rest of this video. Stay tuned. So like I said, I attempted to print this model on both my CR10 and my Delta behind me, and both times it failed. I was later on able to get a successful print, and the reason it failed was basically it knocked itself over and it didn't have good bed adhesion. So I caught it all on my Octoprint camera, and I'm going to play it for you now. So that's the way you turn a woodwind into a string instrument. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't. Consider supporting the channel by using any of the links down in the description. And as always, thank you for those that have supported me through buying me a coffee, using my links, and especially those on Patreon. Thanks everybody for stopping inside the mind of Matt. Happy printing and be safe pouring.